Simple English grammar sentences that are perfect for kindergarten learners. These help build vocabulary, sentences structure and understanding of basic grammar. 1. I, he, she, it, we, they sentences. I'm happy. I'm happy. You are my friend. You are my friend. He is a boy. He is a boy. She is a girl. She is a girl. It is a cat. It is a cat. We are in the class. We are in the class. They are playing. They are playing. Action verb sentences. I run fast. I run fast. She jumps high. She jumps high. He eats an apple. He eats an apple. They sing a song. They sing a song. We play with toys. We play with toys. Three. This, that, these, those. This is a ball. This is a ball. That is a dog. That is a dog. These are pencils. These are pencils. Those are birds. Those are birds. Four. Colors and shapes. The apple is red. The apple is red. I see a blue car. I see a blue car. The sun is yellow. The sun is yellow. This is a circle. This is a circle. That is a square. That is a square. Five. Family and feelings. She is my mom. She is my mom. I love my dad. I love my dad. I feel happy. I feel happy. He is sad. He is sad. She is tired. She is tired. Simple questions and answers. What is this? It is a book. What is this? It is a book. Who is she? She is my sister. Who is she? She is my sister. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. You have learned some English sentences. It's your turn to practice these easy exercise for you. And write your answers in the comments.